Hey, hello everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to handle put request in HTTP module, right? So, what is this put request? Well, put requests are commonly used in the REST APIs to update the existing data on the server, right? So let's see that how we can do it. So here I have written something for you, that is, first I'm importing this http module and storing it inside this http variable. After that, I'm creating a server with the help of this create server method. Inside this, we are having an arrow function and two different parameters, that is request and response, and we are making our server to listen at the port number 3000, and after that a callback function, right? So I hope you understood the concept till now. Now let's start creating something by which we can get the understanding of the put request. So, while the put request, we need to see that whether the request which is coming is either put or not. So, for that, we need to put the condition, and we will also make the condition that is either the URL is for to update or not, right? So, basically, we are going to work on the URL that is slash update. I hope you have the understanding that how it works. That is, it is having something like this, that is, since our server is listening at 3000, so after 3000 there's a slash update. When we go on it, then this put request will be sent to the server, right? Now let's start by creating the condition, that is, if the request dot method equals to double equals to put, right? And not double equals to, sorry, I'm so sorry, that is should be triple equals to. We are going to use the strict method, we are going to check, right? So yeah, now after that, the request dot url equals to slash update, like this, right? Now inside of this, we will start our work. So first of all, we will create a variable, that is, let's say the variable name is body, right? Like this. After that, what we will do, we will collect the chunks of data. Means whenever the client sends anything to the server, it comes in the form of chunk, that is the small data, right? So we will collect every chunk of data, and then we will move forward. So for that, we will do what, request dot on, and then inside of this, the data, right? Mention the data. After that, put the comma here, and then the chunk, like this. And yeah, like this. Fine. Now we are collecting all the chunk of data that is coming, right? And we are going to add it inside this body variable. So we'll write body plus equals to, and this chunk, right? But make sure that you do convert this particular data, whatever the be in the buffer, into the string, right? So for that, to string, this is what we are going to do, right? So this is the part by which we are going to collect the data chunks, right? Now after this, uh, let me see. Okay, yeah. So after this, what we will do, we will, like, when all the data will get received in that particular condition, that is request dot on and end. In this, what we will do, we will just make an arrow function like this, right? And inside of this, we will first make the console.log to make the data that came from the server, sorry, the client side, should get printed inside my terminal. I want that, so I will say that the received put data, comma, and here we want the body, right? Like this. I hope you get it till now. Now after that, we will send the response, right? So for that purpose, we will write response dot write head. And what should be the response, since we are going to deal with the JSON data, right? So we will give that, first of all, the status code as 200, and inside of this, the content type like this, to be to be a application, slash json, like this. Got it? Now after that, just send that the response, that is response dot end, and inside of this we will first of all, whatever the data we will receive, since we are sending it to the browser, we need to convert it into the string format, right? For that, json dot stringify, like this. And inside of this, we will send it in the way that is the message. First of all, there should be a field that is message, and message should be data uploaded, uploaded, right? Or sorry, not uploaded, it should be updated. Data updated successfully. And after that, put the comma here. And the second thing that we will give that whatever the data that we'll receive, we want to send that also at the part of the response. So for that, let's give it data as json dot parse, and that is what, that's your body, right? I hope you get it till now. We will see that whether any error or not, but that is a part of something later, right? So after if condition, we will give the else condition also, that in case if the method is not put or the request.url is not slash update, then you do what? Then you just, let's just copy it out and paste it here, like this, right? In that particular case, I'm saying that you give the status code as 404, make the content type as the text slash plain, and in that particular case, just make that the whatever the response that you are going to send as just not found, like this. Got it? So I think our code is all done here, right? About making the put request. Let's just save it and go to the terminal. Here we will do what? First, let's close the previous, and we will write node script.js. Let's press the enter, and yeah, our server has started at the port number 3000. Let's go to our postman. Here, first of all, we will change the request to put. After that, what we'll do, we will write the URL, that is http slash local host 3000 slash, and if you see here, what is that particular URL? That's slash update, right? So we'll write update, like this. Got it? Now, after writing the update, let's give some raw data, right? So what we will do, we will basically just go to the body. After going to the body, what we are going to, let's remove the previous data, right? Basically, right? So for that purpose, uh, yeah. Now let's write here, like this. That is ID to be something 101. Let's give it 101. After that, the name as something Piyush, and let's give the role, right? So let's give the role as what? Role as the developer, like this, right? So let's see that whether it is working or not. Okay, what is this? Yeah. Now let's see. Let's send it. So we are sending the request, and you can see we are getting the message that is data updated successfully. After that, whatever the data we have received, we had actually parsed it, right? So we are getting it in the format that is in the form of JSON data, right? So you can see I'm getting the data as whatever we have written in the response, right? And if you go here and check your terminal, you can see the put data is basically in this format, that is ID, name, and the role as a developer, right? So by put, we have actually stored our data to the server side, right? And in case if this thing was in the format that it was already present, then in that particular case we can update it in the same way that we have done it right here, right? So this is all about today's video. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.